Welcome to Pulse 24. This week, billion-dollar alliances, political hardball, and a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI. With us is Dr. Anya Sharma. Great to have you.
Good to be here, Nate.
Let's start with the infrastructure giants. NVIDIA and OpenAI have announced a landmark partnership. How does a deal of this scale change the strategic calculus for business leaders?
On September 22nd, the two companies announced a letter of intent for NVIDIA to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI. This is tied to OpenAI deploying at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA systems, which will start coming online in late 2026. For builders, this accelerates the formation of powerful AI ecosystems, forcing an earlier choice of technology stack.
So this is about more than just chips. It's about picking a side?
Exactly. Your choice of cloud or data platform increasingly dictates which foundation models you can access. We saw this as Microsoft confirmed on September 24th. It's integrating Anthropic's Claude models into its Copilot suite. Leaders must now evaluate the entire ecosystem, not just the model.
Staying with the tech giants, we saw a significant enforcement move from Microsoft. What does this signal about platform risk?
It signals that geopolitical risk is now an operational reality. On September 26th, Microsoft confirmed it had disabled specific cloud and AI services for a unit of the Israeli Ministry of Defense. This followed an investigation into allegations the services were used for mass surveillance of civilians, a violation of Microsoft's terms.
Does this mean access to core technology can now be switched off for policy reasons?
Yes, and it forces companies to develop new competencies in political risk management. In parallel, Axios reported on September 23rd that Meta is launching a multi-million-dollar super PAC to influence state-level AI policy in the US. The takeaway is that your choice of provider now has potential diplomatic and regulatory consequences.
Let's shift from infrastructure to interface. OpenAI has launched a new product that seems to change the user interaction model. What is it, and is it a meaningful shift?
It is. On September 25th, OpenAI launched ChatGPT Pulse, a feature for Pro subscribers that proactively delivers a personalized briefing each morning. It uses your chat history and connected apps to anticipate what information you need without you asking for it.
So AI is moving from a pull model, where we ask for things, to a push model.
Precisely. For product leaders, this changes the entire design paradigm from conversational interfaces to ambient context-aware assistance. The key challenge becomes designing for helpfulness without being intrusive. Your product now has to anticipate user needs, not just react to them.
Time for the lightning round. 2 quick stories shaping the market. What's first?
Enterprise AI firm Cohere hit a $7 billion valuation after a new $100 million funding round, reported on September 24th. Crucially, it is deepening its partnership with AMD, which will use Cohere's models internally.
A challenger to the NVIDIA ecosystem we discussed earlier?
It's a clear move to build a competitive, enterprise-focused stack. Watch for more hardware and model partnerships like this.
And the second story?
An app called Neon, which pays users to record their phone calls for AI training data, became the second most popular social app in the US. TechCrunch then reported on September 26th it was taken offline after a security flaw exposed users' call recordings and personal data.
A stark reminder of the risks in the race for training data.
It highlights a new frontier of privacy and ethical risk. Scrutinize any service that trades cash for personal data.
That is all we have time for. Dr. Anya Sharma, thank you.
My pleasure.
Stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.